Hello everyone. Welcome to DYJ, your trusted digital platform for smart earning and seamless rewards. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to use DYJ, from registering to earning team commissions. Let's get started. To get started, simply click the link provided in the description below to access the official DYJ website. Once you're on the homepage, you can begin creating your account. It's quick and easy. You have the flexibility to register using either your email address or phone number, depending on your preference. For a more personalized experience, you can also select your preferred language from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. DYJ supports multiple national languages to make navigation and interaction effortless, no matter where you're from. Need help or have questions? No problem. Just click the Contact Us button, and you'll be directed to our official Telegram support channel. Once you've completed filling out all the required information on the registration page, simply click the Sign Up button to create your account. Since you've already registered your DYJ account, simply go to the Sign In tab. Congratulations on successfully registering your DYJ account. As part of the community, you will get this announcement to introduce you to the VIP price levels and your daily income potential. DYJ offers an exciting 1 to 10 level system designed to reward your engagement and growth on the platform. The more you actively participate, the more you can earn. Whether you're building your team, completing tasks, or growing your network, every step brings greater rewards. At higher levels, not only do you get better commissions, but your earning potential multiplies, allowing you to enjoy a steady stream of passive income from your team's activity and your own efforts. To start earning with DYJ, simply head to the Recharge section, choose your preferred payment method, and follow the step-by-step instructions to complete your transaction. It's quick, secure, and the moment your recharge is confirmed, you're all set to begin generating daily profits effortlessly. To withdraw your earnings, simply go to the Withdraw section in your account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and carefully fill in all the required information. Once everything is complete, submit your request. It's quick, easy, and designed to get your funds to you as efficiently as possible. In the Company Profile tab, you'll get a clear overview of DYJ, the mission, values, and the team behind the platform. In the Task section, you can easily browse and complete a variety of tasks designed to help you earn rewards. From daily tasks to special promotions and bonus opportunities, there's always something new to engage with. Simply click on a task to get started and start earning. It's that easy. In the Team tab, you'll find your unique invitation code and referral code. Simply share these codes across your social media platforms or directly with your friends to invite them to join your team. The more people you refer, the greater your earning potential through team commissions and rewards. Start building your network today and watch your team and your earnings grow. In the VIP tab, you'll discover exclusive benefits reserved for the most dedicated users. By reaching VIP status, you unlock higher earnings, special bonuses, priority support, and access to VIP-only events or promotions. The more you engage with the platform, the higher your VIP level and the greater the rewards. It's our way of recognizing and rewarding your loyalty and commitment to DYJ. As you can see, the DYJ member list is rapidly growing, and now is the perfect time to get started. Since the platform is newly launched, you have a unique opportunity to be an early adopter. This means you can start building your network now and invite more people to join. The earlier you engage, the greater your chances of benefiting from exclusive rewards, higher commissions, and the chance to grow with the platform as it expands. By inviting others to join, not only will you increase your earnings, but you'll also help build a thriving community where everyone has the chance to succeed. Take advantage of this exciting opportunity and get started today. Click the link in the description below to sign up, recharge, and begin your journey toward financial growth. Don't miss out on the chance to maximize your earnings while the platform is still fresh and expanding. The potential for success is right at your fingertips.